Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Leaving a job or retiring can bring up questions about your old 401k. A 401k rollover simply means moving your retirement savings from that old employer-sponsored plan into a new, often more flexible, account. It's a smart way to keep your money growing tax-deferred, and it helps you consolidate all your investments in one easy-to-manage place. Plus, you often gain more control over your investment choices. It's a key step for many people when transitioning careers. So, when is the right time to roll over your 401k? The most common scenario is definitely when you're transitioning from one employer to another. Instead of leaving your money behind or cashing it out, a rollover keeps those savings working for you. It also makes sense if you're retiring, simplifying your financial life, or if you simply want to consolidate several old 401k plans into one single, easy-to-manage account. This helps simplify your financial picture significantly. There are two main ways to complete a 401k rollover: direct and indirect. A direct rollover is generally the simplest, as your money moves straight from your old 401k to your new retirement account. With an indirect rollover, you actually receive a check, and then you have 60 days to deposit it into the new account yourself. Direct rollovers are typically preferred because they avoid potential tax withholdings and penalties. This method helps ensure a smooth, worry-free transfer of your funds. Ready to roll over your 401k? Here are the simple steps for a direct rollover. First, decide where you want your money to go, whether it's a Roth or traditional IRA, or perhaps your new employer's 401k plan. Once you've made your choice, contact your old 401k administrator. Tell them you want to initiate a direct rollover and provide all the necessary details for your new account. They'll handle the transfer directly, ensuring your funds move smoothly to their new home. It's a surprisingly straightforward process. Before you finalize your rollover, keep a few key considerations in mind. Look at any potential fees, the investment options available in the new account, and any tax implications, especially if considering a Roth conversion. It's often very beneficial to speak with a trusted financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. Taking control of your old 401k through a rollover is a proactive step towards securing your financial future. It really helps set you up for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.